When food prices spike, supply chains break, or uncertainty creeps into everyday life, one truth becomes impossible to ignore. People who can grow food sleep better at night. Survival gardening is not about panic or fear. It's about choosing crops that give maximum calories, nutrition, reliability, and regrowth with the least effort. Some plants forgive neglect, others store food underground, and a few can feed you for years from a single planting. These are the crops that quietly carry families through difficult times, and once you understand why they matter, you never look at a garden the same way again. This guide is built for nature's blueprint growers who want food security that actually works. Why are survival crops different from normal garden plants? Survival crops are selected for traits that matter under pressure. They produce large yields, tolerate poor conditions, store well, and often regenerate after harvest. Many provide calories rather than just flavor, which is critical when food availability is limited. Others deliver essential vitamins that prevent deficiency when diets narrow. The goal is not variety for appearance. The goal is reliability. Root crops that store food underground. Potatoes remain one of the most important survival crops ever grown. They produce high calories in a small space and store for months without refrigeration when cured properly. Even small harvests stretch far because of their density and versatility. Planting potatoes also improves soil structure, which benefits future crops. Sweet potatoes offer similar calorie density with better drought tolerance once established. Their leaves are edible, adding another layer of nutrition. In difficult times, dual-purpose crops like this are invaluable. Cassava, where climate allows, is another underground food bank. Once established, it tolerates poor soils and unpredictable rainfall. Harvesting can be delayed until food is needed, turning the garden itself into storage. Grains and calorie crops that keep you full. Maize has sustained civilizations for a reason. It produces large quantities of calories per plant and stores well when dried. While it requires space, even small plantings contribute significantly to long-term food security. Sorghum is often overlooked, yet it thrives where other crops fail. It tolerates heat, poor soil, and drought while providing grain, fodder, and even syrup. Its resilience makes it a strategic survival crop. Dry beans combine protein and calories in one plant. Once dried, they store for years. Beans also improve soil fertility by fixing nitrogen, reducing dependence on external inputs over time. Leafy greens that prevent nutritional collapse. In difficult times, calorie crops keep you alive, but greens keep you healthy. Kale is one of the most resilient leafy vegetables ever cultivated. It tolerates cold, heat, and repeated harvesting. Even in poor soil, kale continues producing. Spinach grows quickly and thrives in cool conditions. It delivers iron, magnesium, and vitamins that prevent fatigue and deficiency when diets become limited. Amaranth bridges the gap between leaf and grain. The leaves provide greens early, while the seeds offer protein later. Few crops match this level of versatility. Perennial vegetables that return year after year. Perennials reduce risk because they eliminate the need for replanting. Once established, they produce food with minimal input. Cassava fits here again, but so does taro in wetter climates. Both act as long-term food reserves that can be harvested when needed. Perennial onions and chives provide constant flavor and nutrition without replanting. Small additions like these make simple meals more satisfying and sustainable. Fruits that deliver calories and vitamins. Bananas are often underestimated as survival crops. They produce heavy yields, require little maintenance once established, and provide calories, potassium, and carbohydrates. Every part of the plant has a use, from mulch to animal feed. Papaya grows fast and produces within a year. Its fruit delivers vitamin C and digestive enzymes, while the leaves and seeds have additional uses. Pumpkins and winter squash are storage champions. Once cured, they last for months and deliver both calories and vitamins. One harvest can carry a household through an entire season. Herbs, can do more than just add flavor to our meals. Some, like garlic, actually help protect both our health and the quality of our food. Garlic, for example, does more than just taste good. It stores well, repels pests, and has antimicrobial properties, qualities that really matter when medical access is limited. And honestly, even a small patch of garlic can produce a surprising amount of usable bulbs. Ginger and turmeric, on the other hand, support digestion and immune health while storing underground just like other root crops. Once planted, they multiply steadily with minimal care. A good soil formula keeps survival crops productive, and, well, healthy soil is really the foundation of survival gardening. To maintain productivity without relying on synthetic fertilizers, you can use a simple microbial feed that strengthens plant resilience. Just mix 10 liters of non-chlorinated water with 2 tablespoons of unsulfured molasses and 1 full cup of worm castings. Stir it thoroughly and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then, apply it directly to the soil around your plants once every 3 weeks. This feeds beneficial microbes, which in turn unlock nutrients already present in the soil, improving yields even when conditions are tough. Diversity, honestly, is security. No single crop can guarantee survival, since weather, pests, and disease can target specific plants. A survival garden spreads risk across roots, grains, greens, fruits, and perennials. When one fails, another carries the load. The strongest gardens aren't always the most complex. They're the most intentional. Growing food is, in many ways, growing independence. Survival crops aren't about fear. They're really about peace of mind. When your garden produces calories, nutrition, and storage crops, well, external chaos starts to lose its power over you. Every planting is a quiet act of preparation. If this guide helped reshape how you think about food security, go ahead and subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this video with someone who needs it, and become part of a growing community building real resilience from the soil up.